Hello and welcome. This is a detailing maintenance advice for the Nissan Pimera P10. As we can observe on the body of the car, on the front trunk, on the hood, due to the 27 years of existence and operation of the car, the color has been a little bit blurred and thumbed in a way that it's in a necessity of periodical, at least once per month, for it to be maintained, to be detailed. There are several products in the market besides the shampoo washing that we should be cleaning the major cleanest procedure of the car, the main dirtiness. The application of a wax, of a liquid wax, it has to happen on the vehicle by a certain sponge, like this one here, which is mainly soft in both sides and can apply the maintaining wax in the perfect way. The maintenance wax at €4.71 with home delivery. It is the Protecton, the make, metallic wax Gesteur metallic politur. There are several very good products in the market, especially of wax that have a very low price, and they are dealing a very good maintenance, a very good detailing of the car. For the purpose of the application, we have used the sponge as pre-mentioned, and for the actual deliverance of the frictioning, the application of the wax, we used this Black & Decker, which is approximating around about 60-70 rounds per minute, and it had the adjustment upon its edge of this actual rod with the circular surface. You can see the surface is soft, and so it can friction, it can applicate the wax in a surrounding application, in circular application, rounds per minute application of the wax in the best way, at around 50 or 60 or 70 rounds per minute of the circular rounds upon the body of the car. So today's maintenance was referring to the front hood. We can see a surviving detailing for the hood and the two wings, the left and right front. If I am to zoom in the reflection of the light of the sun, we can see that there is little work needs to be done any further. It has a good accumulation, it has a good receival of the wax and the actual round per minute application. And I think with multiple efforts and periodical maintenance, the hood can become really shining, really mirroring. The other maintenance today was engaging the rear bumper that has been waxed and rounded by the Black & Decker wax application. We can see that it's in a good state, even though it had some bad treatment. And of course the application was referring also to the front bumper. The front bumper that recently has received some paint work of adjustment with the hair pencil in some very little parts, very small parts, surface, dings and breakings of the bumper. Some 4 or 5 of them in all of the bumper. Bilaterally with the cleaning of the windows with Ajax, even though there is a special foam for the windows cleaning, special cleaning foam for the windows. The third part of the maintenance was engaging the tires foam rejuvenation by this, as I have shown you in a previous project, Dynamax tire shine liquid, which has 2 modifications of application, a singular ray and a multiple ray. We choose the multiple ray not to lose the surface of the tire. And with this very old cloth from an old towel, the tires have been refreshed, and you can watch them as an actual accepting state, even though the car is posed to the sun and the tires are getting thumped and blurred. We have a good result. And this refers also to the rear right and the front right tires. Okay, so as we can overall see the car, I would suggest that the Primeras, the P10s, the P11s, even the P12s, and every car over the age of 10, 15, it needs a periodical maintenance, a detailing, a refreshing, and if we value their historical value and their sentimental value to us, we should be making the upper effort to detail them, to maintain them, and to refresh them. This is a Sunday video in my farm, and I'm very much enjoying maintaining my Nissan Pimera P10, and I hope my example will be followed by all the owners of the Primeras around the world, so that our cars that yet have not reached the outcome of a replacement model in the modern times, these cars will maintain their value, their appearance, and their good state of appearance and workability, driving function, operation. Thank you very much for your attention.